Welcome back. 7:16 the time. With this week's historic snowfall in parts of the South, the wintry weather has seen a rise in more than just your heating bill. Old Man Winter prompted a rise in transportation disruptions as well, affecting not only your commute, but truckers who deliver your favorite goods.
And weather is a major player in how smoothly transportation runs naturally. Natural disasters like Helene wreaking havoc on travel in western North Carolina this fall, but not only by cutting residents off with washed off roadways, but it also forced truckers to take alternate routes.
So what is the greatest disruptor to transportation? Hurricanes or winter weather?
Chief Transportation Correspondent MayCay Beeler has the answer. And MayCay, this might actually surprise people, right?
Yeah, so I wonder what you think. Yeah, so the answer, it's going to surprise you because according to a report by FreightWaves, that's a provider of global supply chain data, winter weather has been more disruptive, it's early folks, sorry, to transportation than hurricanes. And I know what you're thinking, wait a minute, what about all that devastation to roads Helene left behind in western North Carolina? How can menacing winter weather exceed that damage? And another Hurricane Harvey previously held the infamous distinction of having the natural biggest disaster influence on transportation. But experts in the freight business remind us about the freezing weather that shut down the power grid in Texas in February 2021, severely disrupting shipping networks.
Many of you are angry, and you have a right to be. I'm angry too. At a time when essential services were needed the most, the system broke. You deserve answers.
So transportation experts say a reason emphasis is placed on hurricanes over winter weather is the damage to the infrastructure. It's typically larger and longer lasting with tropical systems, whereas once winter weather moves out, there's really little long-term evidence it hit. But this is deceiving because a winter storm's biggest disruptive force is creating backlog. So shippers are more likely to temporarily close down operational activity in front of a hurricane, but will wait until a winter storm hits before making any decisions. So there's just typically more preparation for hurricanes than winter weather, which ultimately causes more chaos and disruption to the freight market from Old Man Winter. And this is not to discount the attention and respect life-altering disasters like Helene deserve, but to stress that winter storms deserve more recognition as serious threats to transportation, truckers, and shipping patterns.